I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
Hello everyone, we are here to teach your body the emotions associated with your goal of becoming a millionaire. Close your eyes and let's begin. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax. Inhale again deeply, and exhale, letting go of any tension. Now, let's explore the emotions you would experience as a millionaire. Imagine yourself as that prosperous millionaire. How would you feel? Would you feel gratitude, love for life, and inner peace? Try to immerse yourself in these high emotions. If you can't immediately connect with any emotion, don't worry. Focus on feelings like love, gratitude, peace, fulfillment, and happiness. Now, listen to this prayer. Millionaire Prayer. Divine Creator, I come before you today with gratitude in my heart, acknowledging the abundant blessings that surround me. I stand in awe of the infinite and unlimited possibilities that your universe provides. I affirm with unwavering faith and conviction, I am already a millionaire. I already have the money I desire. Its presence in my life means infinite and unlimited possibilities. I feel completely comfortable being a millionaire person. I understand that this affirmation is not just a desire but a reflection of your divine plan for me. I trust in your guidance, knowing that you have already set this path in motion. I am grateful for the wealth that is flowing into my life, for it is a tool that I can use to create positive change, contribute to the betterment of the world, and help those in need. Please continue to guide me on this journey, granting me the wisdom to manage my resources responsibly and with compassion. May I always use my abundance for the highest good of all and live a life aligned with your divine purpose. Thank you for the abundance that surrounds me and for the assurance that my financial success is a manifestation of your divine grace. I surrender my worries and doubts to you, knowing that you are the source of all wealth, love, and light. With humility and gratitude, I offer this prayer, trusting in your divine plan and abundance. I am already a millionaire. I already have the money I desire. Its presence in my life means infinite and unlimited possibilities. I feel completely comfortable being a millionaire person. With a heart overflowing with humility and gratitude, I offer this extended prayer to you. I place my trust in your divine plan and abundance, fully aware that you are always by my side, guiding me towards a life of purpose, prosperity, and profound love. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.